After you've enjoyed a couple of good harvests from your eggplant plants, it's essential to give them some extra care to ensure they continue producing well, especially during warm, humid conditions like those during the monsoon season. These conditions can create an ideal environment for pests, which can hinder the growth and fruit production of your plants. To keep your eggplants healthy and productive, you can take two important steps. First, you'll want to prune your plants. Pruning helps manage the size and shape of the plant and reduces the risk of pests and diseases by improving air circulation. Before you start, make sure your pruner is clean to avoid spreading any diseases. When pruning, focus on removing overgrown branches and any sick or yellowing leaves. I recommend cutting back about 60% of the plant, leaving only a few healthy buds and leaves. This might seem drastic, but it will encourage the plant to direct its energy into producing new, healthy growth. After pruning, the next step is to give your plants a good feed, especially with a fertilizer that is rich in nitrogen. Nitrogen is vital for the growth of new leaves, and after such a significant pruning, your plants will need it to bounce back strong. I prefer using weed tea as a natural, nitrogen-rich fertilizer. To make weed tea, simply collect some weeds from your garden, place them in water, and add some compost. Let this mixture sit for about 2 weeks, allowing it to ferment and break down. Once it's ready, you'll have a nutrient-rich tea that can give your eggplants the boost they need. Be sure to dilute the weed tea before applying it to your plants to avoid burning them with too much nitrogen. I've created a video on my YouTube channel that shows exactly how to make weed tea and how to dilute it properly for use on your plants. This method is not only effective, but also helps recycle garden waste into something beneficial for your plants. By following these steps, pruning your eggplant plants, and feeding them with nitrogen-rich fertilizer, you can help ensure they stay healthy and continue producing a good harvest, even in challenging conditions. We'd love to hear your favorite organic methods in the comments section below. Don't forget to check out the video links in the description for more recipes and step-by-step guides on creating your own nutrient-rich fertilizers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more gardening tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and explore our other videos.